Hello, my name is Captain Jason Cameron. I'm an air battle manager for the 176 Air Defense Squadron, located up here in Joint Elmendorf-Richardson, Alaska. Our mission here is focused on defending the Alaska sovereign airspace from any threats, both foreign and domestic. I've been in a command and control position for over 4 years, and it has been an incredibly interesting assignment. I think the most challenging aspect of this mission is working with both C2 community and the flying community with predicting what our adversaries might do based on historical precedents, while at the same time accounting for any possible changes. In other words, the Air Force Future Operating Concept from 2015, mentioned in our self-study courses, is absolutely alive and well here at the Alaska NORAD region. We are continuing to practice daily being an agile Air Force that possesses a variety of options for any given challenge. And inevitably, when our enemy develops counter ideas or processes, we have to adapt and be flexible and be quick to provide different solutions. Now, I wouldn't say that the concept I just mentioned, which we learned in our Foundation of Air Power self-study course, had actually changed the way I viewed air power. Rather, it seemed to put into words what I had been observing for the over 4 years. In my rereading of how the Air Force stepped up in support of the Berlin's need, when we, as a new Air Force, had neither the experience nor the technology, really drove home exactly what is asked of us. Operational flexibility. Operational flexibility, in my humble opinion, will be all that separates us from the rest of the world's leading militaries. With that said, I think we need to, as an Air Force, focus on 2 specific items. The first, we read about, and I totally agree with. We need to continue to train technical experts at increasing levels of experiences. Yes, experience levels do exist, but what I'm talking about is fostering professional airmen and airwomen to a mastery level that are not bound by their lack of knowledge, but give them the capability to manipulate their technical subjects. Just as we have read, we need a culture of airmen that can engage any problem with bold and necessary inventions. Second, we need time to fail, and fail often in a safe environment. I'm speaking this from a C2 point of view. I am convinced that in command and control, our training fosters repetition and muscle memory to any crisis that comes our way. And honestly, I do not believe that that's a bad thing. The majority of things that come our way as challenges and crises can be met with going through what we have gone through over and over through daily training and exercises. But what I propose is that that same training does not foster a flexible mindset to provide new solutions either to the same problems or to new problems that come our way. I propose that C2 challenges itself to make it a goal in their training to fail, to try new solutions and see what can work and what cannot work. If it doesn't work, we know lessons learned teach us a great deal of why it doesn't work. As mentioned before, This second task is actually another way of saying the first task. As C2, it's important for us to become even better and more masters of our command and control. By doing that, we train, try new things, fail often, learn our lessons, and be prepared to be flexible.